Imagine if your computer could solve in seconds what would take today's supercomputers thousands of years. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, that's not science fiction. That's quantum computing. And trust me, once you understand it, you'll see why the entire tech world is buzzing about it. So, what exactly is quantum computing? Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. No complicated math formulas here. Think of your normal computer like a light switch. It's either on or off, 1 or 0. These are called bits. But a quantum computer uses qubits. Now here's the crazy part. A qubit can be on, off, or both at the same time. It's like having a magical light switch that can be on and off simultaneously. This strange behavior is called superposition. Confusing. Yeah, me too when I first heard it. But just imagine if your exam answers could be both right and wrong at the same time. You'd always pass. Okay, maybe that's not how it works. But you get the idea. There's another wild concept called entanglement. Picture two superhero twins. No matter how far apart they are, if one laughs, the other laughs instantly. That's how qubits can stay connected, even if they're on opposite sides of the universe. This lets quantum computers share and process information in ways our regular laptops simply can't. So here's the big difference. While your laptop tries one solution at a time, a quantum computer can try millions of possibilities all at once. It's like checking every door in a giant maze simultaneously, instead of walking through one door at a time. Now, why should you care? Because the possibilities are huge. In medicine, quantum computers could discover new drugs in months instead of decades. In AI, they could train smarter models faster than ever. In banking, they could crack codes or protect us from hackers. Even predicting the weather could become far more accurate, saving lives during natural disasters. Crazy, right? But here's the twist. Quantum computers aren't replacing your laptop tomorrow. They're still in early stages, with only a few powerful ones existing in labs at companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft. So, here's the bottom line. Quantum computing is like giving computers superpowers. It's not about if it will change the world, but when. And when that happens, our future might look completely different. If this video helped you finally get quantum computing, smash that like button, subscribe to ThinkTechAI, and hit the bell so you don't miss more easy tech explainers just like this one. Quantum computing is the future, and now you're ahead of the curve.